OBD2, which stands for Onboard Diagnostics 2, is a standardized system built into vehicles manufactured since 1996. This system continuously monitors engine performance, emissions, and other key vehicle functions. Using an OBD2 scan tool allows you to read diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, which are specific codes that point to problems in your vehicle. By checking these codes yourself, you can save money on mechanic visits and address issues before they become more serious. Scan tools connect to your car's computer via the OBD2 port, allowing you to access trouble codes and other important diagnostic data directly from the vehicle's systems. These diagnostic tools help you understand and interpret the codes that indicate what might be wrong with your vehicle. The Data Link Connector, or DLC, is the 16-pin port where you connect your OBD2 scan tool. It's typically located under the dashboard on the driver's side of the vehicle. Simply plug your OBD2 scan tool into the DLC port. Make sure the connection is firm and secure. The DLC features 16 pins, each with a designated function such as power, ground, and data communication. OBD2 uses various communication protocols. Common ones include CAN bus, a high-speed network connecting vehicle modules, and ISO 91412, which uses specific pins for diagnostics. Always ensure the scan tool is securely connected to the DLC for reliable diagnostics. Turn on your car's ignition without starting the engine. This powers the vehicle's systems without running the motor. Navigate your scan tool's menu to read codes. Connect the tool if needed. The tool will display any stored or pending diagnostic trouble codes. DTCs are categorized as P for powertrain, B for body, C for chassis, or U for network. Note down the codes for further diagnosis. This helps identify the specific issues. DTCs are alphanumeric codes that follow a specific structure. For example, P0300 indicates a random misfire, while P0171 suggests a lean fuel trim issue. The first letter shows the system affected, and the numbers provide details about the problem. Common examples include P0300, which signals a random misfire in the engine cylinders. This could be caused by faulty spark plugs or ignition issues. Another frequent code is P0171, indicating the fuel mixture is too lean, often due to vacuum leaks or oxygen sensor problems. To understand any DTC, refer to online databases like obdcodes.com. These resources provide detailed explanations for each code, helping you identify the likely cause and potential fixes. Knowing what a code means allows you to start diagnosing the cause of the problem. This targeted approach saves time and helps ensure the right repairs are made. After addressing the problem indicated by the DTC, use the Clear Codes function on your scan tool. This resets the ECU's memory and turns off the check engine light. Important: clearing codes without fixing the underlying issue will only result in the code reappearing. Always verify the root cause with proper diagnostic tools. Advanced features in scan tools go beyond basic code reading. Live data shows real-time sensor readings, helping you monitor engine performance as it happens. Freeze frame captures a snapshot of all sensor data exactly when a diagnostic trouble code was triggered. This helps identify what conditions caused the problem and verify that repairs have resolved the issue. Many OBD2 scan tools are now Bluetooth-enabled, connecting seamlessly to smartphone apps like Torque or OBD Fusion. These wireless connections eliminate the need for physical cables, making diagnostics more convenient. Smartphone apps provide user-friendly interfaces for OBD2 diagnostics. Apps like Torque offer intuitive dashboards, data logging capabilities, and advanced features such as graphing engine parameters and tracking vehicle health over time. These apps enable real-time data streaming, showing live metrics like engine RPM, fuel efficiency, and battery voltage. This allows for immediate monitoring and troubleshooting while driving. Wireless scanners offer great convenience, but they come with cybersecurity risks. Hackers could potentially access vehicle systems through unsecured Bluetooth connections. Always choose OBD2 tools with encrypted protocols to protect your vehicle's data. By selecting encrypted wireless OBD2 tools and reputable apps, you can safely benefit from the convenience of app-integrated diagnostics while maintaining your vehicle's security. Always consult your vehicle's repair manual for guidance on complex issues. For complex issues, seek help from a qualified mechanic. Be cautious when clearing codes. Ensure the underlying problem is resolved first. Using an OBD2 scan tool is a valuable skill for DIY car maintenance, saving time and money while helping you understand your vehicle better. Remember, an OBD2 scan tool is a helpful tool, but not a replacement for mechanical knowledge.